So in the last videos, we covered several concepts like git, revert, okay, like multiple concepts we covered, right? Sir, the next concept what we have to talk is git reflag. Okay, sir, git reflag command. Okay, this part what we have to take. Sir, here just observe a bit very carefully. We know git log, we know git log command, we know, but what is reflag? Reflag means reference to log, reference log. Okay, reflag means reference log like. Sir, here what is the main purpose of this git reflag command? Okay, here all the total code whatever you have and the total commit history, where it will be stored. Anyone can you please guide where the commit history will be saved, and where our total code will be saved in our local repository. If you want, you can push it to remote repository, correct, right? So it will be stored in our local repo. It will be stored in our local repo. If you want, you can push this code to remote repo. Assume that it's the local repository, right? Okay, local repo. If you want, you can push to the remote repo like. Sir, now my question is, sir, we covered somewhere reset command, revert command, like we covered some operations, right? In the, have you remember git reset, git reset hyphen hard a particular commit id we use it, sir? Assume that, sir, is it a dangerous command or not? Can you please confirm? Git reset hyphen hard a particular commit id, is it very dangerous command, destructive command, correct, right? Respond. It is a destructive command, because the reason for that is, suppose assume that there are multiple commits are there. Okay, assume commit id, commit sir, assume that here just the 5 commits are there, sir. Commit 2, commit 3, commit 4. Okay, like a commit 5 is there. So this is the most recent. Assume that head is pointed to this commit. Assume sir, this is the most recent. If I use git reset hyphen hard means, can you please delete everywhere. If I use a commit to, if I use commit to, can you please confirm what will happen in this case? Anyone, can you please guide, sir? Now, sir, head is pointing to commit to, head is pointing to commit to, sir. Okay, head is pointing to, or master is pointing to commit to. All these things by default will be deleted permanently from the repository, correct? Respond. Will be deleted permanently from the repository or not? Yes, it's going to be deleted permanently from the repository, friend. Not only repository, staging area, current working directory, everywhere it's going to be deleted. It is a very dangerous command. Now, if I use this one, git log hyphen one line, how many commits by default will be there? Only 2 commits will be there, but not 5. Any doubt about this one? Only 2 commits will be there, but not 5 commits. Okay, like, so now I realize that by mistake I performed this operation. By mistake I performed this operation. I want to recover this. Okay, is it possible or not? Okay, in the last sessions I told it is impossible. It is impossible to recover the state, because hyphen hard, this option is going to delete the changes everywhere. Remember that. In local repo, it will be deleted. It will be deleted from the local repo. It will be deleted from the staging area, and it will be deleted from working directory. Everywhere it will be deleted, sir. Everywhere it will be working directory, it will be deleted from everywhere. It is impossible, like I told. Correct? I hope you people may remember, right? But here there is one concept is there, reflag concept. This concept is going to be very helpful. Even such a type of destructive operations also we can undo by using this reflag command. Okay, remember that by using this reflag command, even such type of sir operations, destructive operations also we can undo. What is the so how you can do that? What is the means? What is the meaning, sir? Sir, here very simple. Whatever git operations we are performing, whatever git operations we are performing, so reflag is going to maintain log information of all the git operations what we are performing in our local repository. Okay, remember that. So in the local repository, whatever operations we are performing, sir, all these operations, git reflag is going to maintain some entry outside the okay repository. Remember this, maybe in your working directory somewhere outside repo, it is going to maintain that these entries will be available for 90 days. Okay, remember by default, sir, entries will be reflag, reference log will be maintained. How many days, sir? 90 days by default. Okay, like, sir, by mistake, I did some destructive operation. Because of that, something got removed, sir, in our repository. No problem. The corresponding entry by default will be available in the reflag or not. Yes, by default, the corresponding entry by default available in the reflag command. By using that entry, we can recover the state, no issue at all, even though it is a very destructive operation. Are you in the position to understand? Yes, friends. Okay, all the code changes, commit IDs will be stored in our local repo. If someone is going to maintain again a separate entry outside of the repo, okay, by mistake if something goes wrong, yes, this log is going to be helpful to recover the state, to restore the previous state. So it is possible. So this reference log, this one is going to be helpful. But how many days these entries will be there? By default, these entries will be there for 90 days. Any doubt? Yes, friend. So get a ref log. So just observe a bit very carefully about this terminology, right? So here just one or 2 points what I have to highlight. Here see this one. What is the purpose of get a ref log command? Okay, get a ref log command. What is the purpose, right? To display or to log. Okay, to display or to log all git operations. All git operations. Whatever we performed on our local repository, okay, like whatever we performed on our local repository, all those operations will be logged by using git reflag command. Okay, we can use sir, this git reflag command. Okay, by mistake if any unwanted destruction operation happen, still we can restore the state by using this one. Remember that. Next, one more thing I have to tell, very important, sir. Where it will be stored, can you please tell? In our okay, local, in our working directory or somewhere it is going to be stored. It's going to be stored outside of repo. That's why, do you know? So it can record only operations related to local repository but not a remote repository. Reflag command no way related to the remote repository. It is always related to local repository only. Okay, like you should have clear clarity, sir. So just have a look once about this terminology. Just observe that. What is the meaning of reflag? Reflag means reference log. Okay, we can use a git reflag command to display all git operations whatever we performed on local repository. We can use git reflag command to know only local repository operations but not remote repository operations. Any doubt? Respond. Any doubt about this? Okay, clear. Next, how you can use, right? What is the syntax for the dollar git reflag? Now complete information by default we are going to get whatever operations we did. Okay, like it is something like have you remembered history command in the Linux? Respond. history command in the Linux. So whatever operations you did on our virtual machine, on our mission VM, okay, all those things by default will be recorded, right? Something like sir, all operations whatever we performed on our local repository will be recorded by using this get ref flag. I will show with an example, don't worry at all. Suppose how many branches will be there, can you please confirm or respond in our repository? How many branches will be there? Is it only one or multiple branches? Is it only one or multiple branches? Multiple branches, right? Sir, I want to show all operations related to every branch. Just you require to use this one get ref flag. Suppose my requirement is I want only master branch related operations, whatever operations performed on master branch, then we have to specify branch name here. It is always going to list out the operations whatever we performed on local repository with respect to this branch. Whatever branch name you are using, it is going to provide that information. Take a bit special care. Can I go for a small example so that you will get much clarity? Okay, what is the use? Like I can now here just observe that what is the syntax? Git ref flag. Ref flag, it will show all git operations performed on local repository. Git ref flag branch name, it is related to that particular branch, operations will be there. Next, ref flag will maintain 90 days git operations history by default. Sir, how many this history of how many days it will be available? 90 days only. Okay, by default we can use a ref flag command to go to specific state of the repository. Even it is deleted from local repository, no problem at all, we can recover. Have you observed, right? By mistake, if we did any unwanted destruction operation, still we can recover by using git ref flag command. How we can do that? That part I will take care. Can I go for a small chota example? Here listen a bit very carefully. Now here just observe that, okay, where I am git projects, right? Now let me create one directory, ref flag demo, like this I'm taking, sir. Yes, okay, now my requirement is cd ref flag demo. Yes, git init I'm taking. Now take a bit special care. How many branches are available by default? Can you please confirm? How many branches are there by default? Respond. How many branches are there? Okay, only one branch by default. That is the branch. Which branches are master branch? Now I'm taking here, just observe, echo just a first line, echo first line I'm taking. Okay, here just file1.txt I'm taking, sir. File1.txt. Okay, now let me commit that. Add sir, next git commit -m git commit -m. Okay, first commit like I'm trying to take. Yes, that's all. First commit, like, sir, now can I do multiple commits or not? Yes, friend. Yes, okay, just observe that, sir. This is second commit, like I'm trying to take. Now let me take file3.txt. Okay, let me, sir, third commit, third commit. Okay, like, let me just last one, file4.txt. Okay, let me do the file4.txt. Let me do this one here. My requirement is, okay, just the fourth commit, something like I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, fourth commit, like I'm taking. Sir, can you please do, can you please tell how many commits I did? Respond. How many commits I did? 4 commits I did. How many files I created, sir? 4 files I created. 1 2 3 4 file 4. Next, how many commits I did, sir? Git log -hyphen one line. Now observe carefully. Okay, this is the commit, this is the commit, sir. Now here just by here just take a bit very special care. Git ref flag I'm trying to take, reference log. Yes, is it the same or not? Please respond. Is it the same or not? Yes, same only, but some extra counter information also by default will be there. Okay, the most recent operation a is available at head at the rate 0 and so on. Now the beauty I will explain. Sir, total how many commits are there? Can you please confirm or respond? How many commits are there? 4 commits are there. Okay, now here I'm trying to take, git reset hard git reset hard. Okay, like I'm trying to take this one. Okay, boss, can you please reset to this particular state? If I use this state, how many commits will be deleted? Jepal ready. Ketan, can you please confirm? How many commits by default will be deleted? Except this, all the remaining commits will be deleted and the corresponding files also. Let me do that. Let me do this one here. Here, have a look once about this commit. Yes. Okay, head now pointing to. Okay, now here git log hyphen one line. How many comments will be there? Respond, don't be silent. How many comments will be there? Only one comment. Only one comment. If you want, yes, sir, this is. Okay. But now, git reflag will maintain the total operations history or not? Yes. Yes. Now observe the difference. Git reflag. Have you observed, right? Okay. Now reset, moving to this particular state. Complete history by default will be available. That is the beauty of reflag when compared with the log. Log always talks about currently which commit, which changes are there in the, which changes are there in our repository. I mean, current changes only this log is always going to talk. But reflag is always going to talk about all operations whatever we did since last or for the last 90 days. Friends, are you seeing the difference between the log and the reflag or not? Okay, just by simply using git log. Okay, now if I just list out how many files are there, only one file, because the remaining three files you created in the remaining commits, but you removed those commits. That's why only one file is there. That is now, so git reset I did. Because of that, all these commits by default gone. But now my requirement is, boss, I want to restore. By mistake I performed this destructive operation. I want to restore. Where that information you can find, from here you can see reflag. From here you can see get reflag. Now observe, you want to reset to which state? Sir, can you please reset to this state? Can you please reset to this state? Because git log won't maintain this commit history, but reflag is going to maintain this total commit history. That's why either this one you can use or this one you can use, no problem at all. Now get reset hyphen hard. Now can you please reset to this commit, sir? Okay, can you please reset to this commit? If I use this one, now have a look once. Head is pointing to fourth commit. If I use git log, observe that. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. If I use git log hyphen one line, again the four commits came or not? Are you saying even though you did some destructive operation, still we can able to recover, because my reflag is going to provide the corresponding entry. Okay, like next, if I use LA, can I see all the files or not? Yes, we can see all the files, no problem at all. That is the beauty of okay, git reflag command. Okay, git reflag. Now you can see all, boss. First you did first commit, initial commit, next you did second commit, third commit, and then sir, here have you observed, right? This is the fourth commit. Okay, like now it is telling reset. We are moving to so and so. We are moving to this state. Reset command we did. Again, we did reset command, moving to this particular state. Complete information by default you can able to see all operation, all git operations, whatever we performed on local repository. If you want to see that history, yes, which one is going to talk, sir? Git a reflag command. Whether this entry is the active entry or not active entry, no problem at all. 90 days, all the git operations history by default we can see. Are you feeling git reflag command is going to be helpful or not? Okay, well, now here just have a look once, sir. How many branches are there with me? Git reflag. So git reflag. Only one branch is there. That's why git reflag master. Like if I can take. Sir, are you seeing both the things are same? Because only one branch is there. Only one branch is there. That's why both the things are same. Now assume that let me create another branch. Hyphen B. Sir, git checkout hyphen B. Feature branch like I'm trying to create. Okay, switch to. Okay, here let me do at least one or two commits. Okay, first line inside a.txt. Okay, like git yard dot git commit. Okay, first commit. Okay, now first commit by feature branch. Okay, like I did. Now let me take b.txt. Okay, like here also second commit by feature branch like I'm trying to take. Now observe that. Can you please confirm how many branches are available with us? Please respond. How many branches are there with us? Two branches are available. Git, sir, here log, git log hyphen one line. It's going to provide complete history, no problem at all. Now similarly, git ref log, like this. Now observe carefully, right? Sir, here you did initial commit, second commit, third commit, fourth commit. Okay, like and then you reset it to first commit, and then again you reset it to fourth commit. Okay, up to this we did, sir. Now observe that checkout. Yes, this is at this stage checkout moving from master to feature. Have you observed moving from master to feature? Next in the feature branch we did first commit. Next this is the second commit what we did in the feature branch. Are you seeing the difference between okay log and then git reflag? It is showing the flow also. We are moving from master to feature. We moved from feature to master, something like suppose if I use git checkout master. Now observe switch it to master branch. Now let me check. Yes, it is telling that checkout moving from feature to master. So complete sir history by default you can able to see by using get reflag. Suppose my requirement I want to know which operations we performed with respect to feature branch. Get reflag feature. Now observe this one. Okay, branch created from the head. Okay, this is at this stage, and then first commit, and then second commit. That's all. So these entries related to mass feature branch. Sir, now git reflag, get reflag feature branch, get reflag feature branch like sir git reflag master branch like this. Let me take now these entries are related to the master branch. This is the beauty of reflag command. So a bit helpful when compared with git log. It is to recover, even though we did some destructive operation, to recover the state. Yes, sir, this thing is going to be very helpful. Any explanation is required? Can you please confirm? Yes, that's all. This is the beauty of get reflag command. That's what you should aware, friends. Okay, but make sure how many days history it is going to be maintained. Can you please confirm how many days history is going to be maintained? By default 90 days. If you want you can customize, but anyway at this stage we are not required to worry at all. Next and after that, here one more. Whatever options we are going to use with the git log command, whatever options we are going to use with the git log command, happily we can use with the git reflag command also. Sir, we can use hyphen one line. Have you remembered? Sir, we can use hyphen statistics like now observe that. Now have a look once. Git log hyphen stat. Okay, like so means statistics. Array here observe that carefully, sir. Here first command file one line inserted. Okay, Second commit, file to one line inserted. Next, third commit, one line inserted. Fourth commit, one line inserted. That's all. So this is git log hyphen stat. Okay, same thing we can use git ref log hyphen stat. Okay, hyphen stat. Now observe that. Now observe file. Sir, here commit, initial commit. Sir, here one file change or one insertion. Okay, like this is one file. Okay, hyphen stat. Happily you can use complete information, right? Even for this also one line git reflag hyphen one line option, is it allowed or not? Yes, why not? Okay, like, have you observed? Itself is perfectly acceptable, no problem at all. Next, instead of the commit ID, if you want, you can use this one also, no problem at all. Okay, this is the counter. Internally, this is the counter, sir. Sir, here, have you remembered, right? I want to reset to this commit. No problem. Instead of that, you can use this entry also acceptable, because this entry internally point into the same commit. That's it, friends. This is about git reflag command, what you people should aware. So in the interview room, maybe a chance to ask the question something like, if the interview person is the very, yeah, just observe, by mistake, if we did git reset hyphen odd command and some files got removed from our local repository, is it possible to recover those changes or not? But the answer, what answer you can? Yes. For this purpose, git reflag command is going to be very helpful, but not git log command. Reflag we require to use. That's it, friends.